Hey, my name is Scott Rhode. I'm the product sales manager at Surveyor by Forest River. Today we're going to walk you through our Legend 203 RKLE, Rear Kitchen Legend. We consider Surveyor the best constructed, most turnkey, ready-to-go trailer on the market. As you walk through the door of a Surveyor, keep that in mind, as well as this is a Murphy bed model. Murphy bed models can be shorter. The demographic doesn't want to pull a trailer over 25 foot, but they want a sofa and a dinette. And what's cool about these is you can see with the Surveyor, we've got great storage above, wardrobes on both sides, drawers on each side, cup holders, and then with the sofa, below the sofa, there's some storage. And the way this Murphy bed works, simply just lift up from this side, lay down the sofa, one-handed operation to hit that latch and drop her down. And now you've got your bed. To return this Murphy bed, again, it's just single-hand operation. You just grab it and just push it till you hear the latch. It's click, lift up the sofa bed, and now you've got your sofa for whatever needs you have that day. 203 RKLE, I'm going to try to stick to things that are unique and what you're going to want to look for when you're comparing us. Starting down there, you can see a heater vent. Surveyors used to run the heaters in the floor, so you had a register there, things could fall in it, your feet could step on it and crack it, what have you. Now they're in the walls or they're in the cabinets. Over towards the dinette, in all your Legends, you'll see a Dinette Light, which is new this year. Plenty of room for 4 people. In your Legends, you've got doors for added storage. You can access it through the door or lift up the dinette cushion. It's easier that way, I think. Above your slide outs and your Surveyors, you'll get a nice mood lighting. Right above, we're using 15K ACs and everything. Coleman Mach moves more air, CFMs per minute, and it's also way lower decibel level. This model's basically for the connoisseurs, so to speak, or people that want a lot of counter space either for cooking or putting knickknacks and other items on. But look at all that storage there. TV's optional in your Legends, but you can see we can get a nice 32-inch big TV. You can see it from there, or the bed, it swings out. Our curio cabinets, prism glass, looks really great in person, so hopefully you get a chance to not just watch this video, but see one on the dealership's lot. As we move down here, another unique feature for us is we've had a knife block, but now we added steak knives to the knife block, and we have this cup as well. You can see our logo and so forth on it. Again, if you're cooking a lot, you want a place to put all those easy accessible items. 12-volt refrigerators are across the board in Legends. This was not in this model last year. Nowadays, you got a bigger refrigerator. Every square inch of this trailer you can see is well thought out. So when you walk into the bathroom, you're gonna get a porcelain toilet in all your Surveyors. Went ahead and went to this neat little resort style sink. It's curved at the bottom, it's undermounted, rectangular. Upgraded faucet. Octagon backsplash. When you're out there, I don't think you'll see a whole lot of campers using a backsplash in the bathroom. Big 30 by 36 inch shower in most of our models this year, including this one. No more curtains, and we're using this really cool slow close door. I let it go, keeps the water in when it's closed. Plenty of headroom with the skylight. Hey, new this year is solar power to us. We weren't using it before. So now when you buy a Surveyor, look for our 80-watt panel inside the coach. You can see how many amp hours it's charging throughout the day. So we're ready for whatever adventure awaits you. Near the door, you'll see this Asdel on board sticker. The composite material protects against delamination. It's going to give your camper a lot more security and safety over the long haul while you own it, and then when you go ahead and resell it. Hey, at Surveyor this year, we added outdoor kitchens to all of our models. This particular model didn't have one last year. We look for 3 key elements to replace the 2-burner top with a griddle. Got to have a sink and a refrigerator. Hey, when comparing Surveyor to any other model out there, make sure you look for a sticker like this. Pvc Roofing's a 15-year warranty. We go into great detail. You can look at some flyers on our site, but the biggest thing is you don't have to go up there and treat it every 6 to 12 months, saving you hundreds of dollars every year. To the front, it's pretty cool. We know this is the baggage area that's used the most. Put a slam latch cover on it. Inside, there's aluminum framing underneath the bed base. And then this is something I think everybody should have, is a place to keep their portable drill, so they can go ahead and take this 3/4 inch bit, which we provide. You're going to go ahead and be able to put your jacks up or down. As we go to the front, we took a lot of time to put detailing like this. This was just a pet leash before. Now you can go ahead and put your safety chains easily out of the way in storage. Power tongue jack, cover for your LP tanks. Over here is a battery disconnect. It's an upgraded one compared to some others. And the reason you want a battery disconnect, you got 12-volt refrigerator or other 12-volt items, and you're not burning out your battery. Hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. Hope you go to a dealership and check one out. If you want more information, go to our website, forestriverinc.com/surveyor. See videos, download PDFs, and what have you. Until then, Thank you very much and enjoy the journey.